And we're back to learning CapCut in a year, day 96. We can create AI avatars directly in CapCut, but it's a pro feature. So if you want to use the free version, I believe you can generate it once or twice, and then you should be running out of credits. I had some credits left, so I did it. Let me show you how it's done, and then I'll show you the center again. So you go to text, add the default text, and then you switch to AI avatars. Choose the one that you want. Once it's downloaded, it's going to show you kind of like a default preview. Then go to next, and you can choose the AI voice. But if you do it for the first time, go back one step, and you have to make sure that actually an avatar is selected. So it needs to have this turquoise frame, and then it's selected. And before you generate, let me abort here, paste the text that you want right here in the text basic. And once you've got that, then go back to AI avatars, pick the avatar, pick the voice, and then generate. Depending on if you watch this video in the future, they might change it. It might be free, you might be given more free credits or even less, I don't know. But currently, if you want to use AI avatars, this might actually be a good reason to look into paying for CapCut.
This is a default text for the AI avatar in CapCut. Let's see if it can read it.
Because the pro version gives you like, I believe 1400 credits currently per month. And you can use that to generate a lot of these AI avatars. I believe they cost 12 credits. But it might be dependent on the text length. So keep that in mind, do your calculations, and maybe it's worth it for you to pick the pro version. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.